Tragedy struck Kasapuda village under Jaleswar police limits in Baleswar district after two brothers died due to electrocution on. The incident occurred on Saturday when both came in contact with a live electric wire. The deceased duo has been identified as Babu Jena and Badal Jena. According to reports, a high tension power line had snapped and fallen into an agricultural field. Unaware of the danger, the two cousins accidentally came in touch with the wire and were electrocuted instantly. Locals rushed to the spot and tried to rescue them, but both had succumbed before any medical help could arrive. The sudden deaths have cast a shadow of grief over the entire village. Shocked residents expressed anger at the negligence of the electricity department, alleging that poor maintenance of power lines has led to repeated accidents in that area.
बहुत मर्मन्तुक घटना आज दिन ठीक 1:30-2:00 बेले बिलोरे एलटी लाइन तार छिड़ी प्रथमे जड़े जाई हाबुड़ी पड़ता बेले आउ जड़े काका पुओ भाई उठेवाई जाऊा बेले दुई जन जाक एका समय मृत अवस्था गाँ लोक देखा पाइले। हाँ जनकर डाक ना हूँ जनकर बाबू जेना और जनकर बादल जेना।